Hello everyone, welcome back to Let's Talk Tech. In this video, we are going to talk about chat messages. So mainly there are three type of chat messages. First is system message, AI message, and then human message. So first of all, what is system message? System message provides us context for a particular chat model. Let's say you want it to perform in a particular way or particular manner. You want to do it a particular task. You want to make it for your homework, you want to assist it with mathematical problems, or you want one word answers, you want true or false, anything. If you want to provide a context, you can give it via system message. Second thing is AI message and human message. So let's go here and let us understand how it works. First of all, even if we don't define system message, it will be predefined, and there's a default chat system message, so it's not necessary to define it always, but here we have defined it, and that is your helpful assistant. And then there's a human message which human provides to the system, which is tell me about AI message and human message in context of LLMs, and also tell about the flow of these messages. So what's going on is there's this system message which has the context how it should respond, and based on that AI message is going to be generated. So we have system message, after that we have human message which is defined by human, a human given message, and then there will be a AI message that is text generated by AI. So that's the workflow, that's the flowchart of this, that you provide a system message followed by a human message, then AI message, and then it may be a list of human and AI messages. So first of all, let's run this. So yes, as we can see, AI message refer to the internal communication within the LLM system. These messages are generated by the model itself, and they represent the intermediate results, thoughts, or decisions made by the model during process of user input. And what about human message? Human message, on the other hand, refer to the input provided by humans to the LLM system. This input can be in form of text, voice, or other types of data. So as of now, we are dealing with text only. Then there's concept of multimodality, in which we can input voice or images, anything like that. We are going to go through it later. But yes, again, flow of messages. A human user provides input to the LLM system, which is received as a human message, and then LLM processes it. It makes a decision, and then it generates a AI message. And then again, if human wants, human can respond to that particular message, and it can have a proper chit chat with AI or LLM to be specific. Here we can see that it's a very small chat between human and AI. So human gave a message, and then we have a AI message, that's it. Human can't respond to this particular message in this block, and there's no such thing. So for that we can have a proper system message, human message, and AI message within the message box. And let's see how it works. So first of all, we have a system message here. You're a helpful assistant. Answer in one word and say already answered if the question has been asked before. And human message is who is current first lady. So we all know Jill Biden, who is the wife of Joe Biden, the 46th president of USA. She's our first lady as of now. So let's go ahead and run this. Okay, one word, so that's why Jill, that's it. We can remove this. The current first lady of the United States is Jill Biden. She's the wife of President Joe Biden, the 46th president of the United States. Yes. But now if we go ahead and if we ask the same model again that who is her husband, now let's see how is it going to respond. The current first lady of the United States is Jill Biden, same as that. But the second output is this conversation has just begun. I don't have any information about specific person or her husband, which means this model does not have context of this thing, and hence it can't comprehend and it can't say anything about who is her husband because it does not have any information about that particular context. For that, what we can do is we can use this a series of human and AI messages. So our first question was who is our current first lady, and the AI generated answer was Jill Biden. And then again human can ask who is her husband, and which is Joe Biden. So now it does have that particular context to answer the question who is her husband. And if we go ahead and we can mm, make this conversation longer, let's say the answer was Joe Biden. We all know that Elon Musk is the owner of Tesla, if not owner but founder. And now we can ask again what was our last question to check if the chat memory is working properly or not. So let's ask another thing. And let's see how it responds. Okay, forgot a comma. And the what was my last question? Owner of Tesla. So let's remove this particular answer in one word thing. Your last question was who is owner of Tesla. So now the chat memory is working perfectly fine. It has context to previous questions. But the thing is, we don't want to write things like this. We don't want to write human message and AI message for each and every time. It's time taking and it's not optimized at all. That's not how we chat. So for that, what we can do is we have this messages list, an empty list. We can define a system message, or even if we don't want to define the system message, let's remove this particular system message and let's see if it runs or not. It works perfectly fine without any issue. So even if we don't define system message, there's a predefined system message for that. But here we have our system message, and we can add that particular system message and different messages in this messages list. So now we have a while loop here. What it does is it will ask three things: ask a question, print chat history, and third one is exit. Since it's an infinite loop because of this while is true, we have to take a take help of break function to end this loop. And yes, first one is ask a question, print chat conversation. Wait, if there's any issue in that. No, nothing. So for that, what we can do is here we have a system message, and if the user wants to ask a question, it will input this particular thing, ask your question, and it will add that uh, question into message list as a human message. Here the content is user, the user is same as this thing, and we can get result of that. And what we can do is we can add that result as an AI message to messages list again, and we can print result. By doing this, we have proper end-to-end message stored in the message list without writing AI message and human message again and again. So let's go ahead and see how it works. Ask a question, print chat conversation, or exit. So we don't have any chat conversation as of now, but what we have is our system message. So let's see. Int input number. Okay, let's run it again. So yes, we have our system message, that is you're a helpful assistant, that's it. And now we should go ahead and ask a question, that is, tell me about Elon Musk and his innovations. Elon Musk is a highly influential entrepreneur, inventor, and business magnate who has made significant contribution to various fields. So we got a particular answer, and his notable innovations and achievements: PayPal, SpaceX, Tesla, Hyperloop, Neuralink, the Boring Company, Solar City. So we have our answer right here, and we can go ahead and ask more thing with the particular context. So let's go ahead and ask about his birthday. So yeah, ask a question. When is his birthday? Elon Musk's birthday is 28 June 1971. So it has access to the previous context and previous memory. And let's see if it can print the proper chat conversation or not. So let's go and print it now. Earlier we did it and we got a single system message, and now let's see what we are going to get. So there's the system message, we got it last time too. And then there's this human message, that is, tell me more about Elon Musk and his innovation. We asked this question, and this was the AI message. Elon Musk is a highly influential entrepreneur, dot dot dot. And then we asked another question, which was about his birthday, and here it is. When is his birthday? And then again, AI message was Elon Musk's birthday is June 28, 1971. We can go ahead and we can ask more and more questions on different topics. Let's say anything. Let's stick to the context so that we have an understanding of chat memory. Tell me more about his family. So yes, it tells me about Elon Musk was born to May Musk and Errol Musk in Pretoria, South Africa. So it works perfectly fine with previous context and chat memory. That's how chat memory works. And if we want to quit this thing, we can just press 3 and exit this loop. We can break this loop, and yes, that's it. Thank you. So that was it for this video. I hope you have understanding how chat memory works. I will post this particular code on my GitHub. You can access it through the link mentioned in the description. You can go ahead and follow me on GitHub, Instagram, and LinkedIn as well. I'll post all the links in the descriptions. Like this video if you gained anything from this video. Comment if you have any suggestions to add or if you have any doubt, and share this video with your friends. I'll see you in the next video. Till that moment, let's learn and explore together. Bye bye.